Salam. Now we'll discuss about the different aspects of data science. Basically, what is AI, what is ML, DL. People are talking about this. So, the basic, what is our aim? What we do after study after this data science course, after learning this course? Okay, our main aim and objective is to prepare a model or app on AI, artificial intelligence. So preparing an AI app is our goal. This part, this is okay. Then this the big circle you are seeing. This is the, suppose this is AI. Now the subsets are machine learning and deep learning. So machine learning part is the black color you can see here. This is the machine learning. What is the machine learning? Machine learning is a statistical model which helps to solve the problems. Again, it is divided into three categories: supervised, unsupervised, and reinforcement. Yeah, semi-supervised machine learning model. Okay, so what is supervised? If you know your target, you know what features you require, and you know what to achieve. Okay, then that type of problems are called supervised. And there are some problem which is we don't know the target, and just we need to classify our data into different groups. That's a classification problem, you can say. That is called unsupervised machine learning. And the both combination of these two are called semi supervised or reinforcement machine learning. Okay, then the white then inside that you see the white circle. This may, you may say this is the deep learning. So deep learning is a multi neural network uh, system, multi neural network system. What it does, like a memory, like a man's memory, like a human memory, it work. How? For example, if you say about a child, from the a newborn baby, he doesn't know anything. He learn and he achieve his activities. He perform his activities on the basis of their daily learning. For example, he don't know when the child was born. He don't know what is a book, or what is a pen, who is his father, who is his mother. He doesn't, he or she doesn't know anything. But after learning process, the child mother explains him, this is, he is your father, he's your brother or sister. And likely, slowly gradually, he understand and learn. Like that way, we need to learn our machine in such a way that you will be eligible to understand the business problem, and automatically it solves the business problem. So we need to train our machine. Okay, so you need to train and test continuously, and then this is a continuous process. That is called deep learning. Like a neural network, brain neurons are there. Like this way, it stores the data in different neurons, and activate the neurons, deactivate the neurons, and the learn, that's the learning process going on. Okay, so this deep learning again divided into three categories: ANN, CNN, and RNN. An artificial neural network, CNN is convolutional neural network, RNN is the recurring neural network. So basically these three things are same type of job they are doing, but in different scenarios. For example, if our problem is having number systems problem, then we'll use generally we use the NN. Okay, if our data is having the image or videos, we need to classify the images like face recognition. You can see how Facebook and other Twitter is working on that. So that can be done in the CNN. Okay, if the data is in the form of images, videos, different audios. Okay, and the RNN, the recurring, to solve the data in the form of time series. Okay, if data is in the form of days, month, year, and hour wise, okay, transactions are there, then that type of problems, daily transactions, monthly transactions are there. So that type of problems we can solve by a recurring neural network. And if you combine all these things, AI, ML, and DL, these all these things you can say data science. And there are different divisions are working on that. Different peoples are having different uh, capabilities to work. Some of the data science people are working on the data engineer part. Some of data science people are working on the machine learning part, and some of people are working on the AI part. Okay, so after your completion of this course, you will decide in which path you will go. Okay, and basically you need to learn all these things. Okay, and after that, but the important is we need to have that expertise in the domain. Without domain knowledge, it is very difficult to create a model, or to implement, generalize the model. Okay, implement and generalize the model. So you need to understand. Okay, so what is the domain knowledge? The business knowledge. You need to have that. If you are in a financial line, or you are in a customer domain, or you are in a general administrative domain, or whatever, according you need to implement. You are in supply chain, so you need to implement your domain knowledge and into this data science part. Okay, then there's a combination of two things: your domain expertise and this data science expertise will make your career more easier. Okay, in data science. And you can see the course content. Initially, I have already told all of you to install the Anaconda and Python, and it will discuss the different data structures and variables, how to handle in general way in Python, and the inbuilt functions available in NumPy and Pandas data frame. Exploratory data analysis is very important. Uh, we need to do. Then the statistical knowledge, that is also and part of that science. We will discuss all these things, and then we'll go jump to the model creations, machine learning techniques. By using different machine learning techniques, we create some example, we create some real-time machine learning models, and we'll do some time series forecasting, and we'll do the feature engineering like model selection and tuning, hyper tuning the models, so that the model, or our model can perform in a better way. And ensemble techniques, different live projects of machine learning by industry experts will do that also. And I'll give a live project on neural language processing, and we'll create a chatbot if possible in this course. Okay. We'll create a chatbot, and we'll go through that, how to create a chatbot, and how to also, if possible, you can do the face recognition. Okay, face detection, face recognition, that also you can do in deep learning. So all these things will do all this course. Have patience, and uh, learn yourself. Try to learn every aspect. Any problem, you can directly WhatsApp to me, or you can directly call to me at any time. Thank you so much. Shairam, happy learning. Bye bye.